It's a recipe party in a box. It's February!
Woo-woo!
And guess what?
What?
It's Groundhog's Day coming up, and that's my birthday.
Woo! And Valentine's Day is coming up.
So for my birthday, I think you should think about making your home toxin-free with this month's recipe party. So let's talk about what's in it. So in our essential oil recipe box this month is fir needle, coffee, frankincense, and veins essential oil blends, along with our new rose hydrosol.
I'm so excited about that.
You'll also get some French green clay, labels, and 6 toxin-free recipes. So Charlotte, tell them what new subscribers get or 6-month subscribers get.
So all of our new subscribers, and if you get 6 of our recipe boxes, you get a free bonus box, which has all the essentials you're gonna need to make the next 6 months worth of recipes, like a solid coconut oil, a fractionated coconut oil, fractionated almond oil, 6 of our 10 milliliter roll-on bottles, and 6 of our 5 milliliter bottles, so you can make all kinds of master blends. My favorite recipe from this month is our clay and rose face mask, which I have on right now. Seems like it's dry now, so I should probably go wash it off, but that one is gonna be a lot of fun.
Yeah, it's gonna make your face so glowy, and if you are a fan of Galentine's Day, it's the perfect recipe for a night in with your friends. My favorite recipe this month is our Espresso Diffuser. I love lattes, and I think it's really fun it smells just like a shot of espresso, and then I can add some like Peru balsam to make it like a vanilla latte. Super fun to make it customizable, and makes my house smell like a coffee shop, which I love.
So if you are not a subscriber already, you should be, because you get all of this for $39.
Say what?
It's a pretty big deal.
Yes, so head to simplyearth.com to subscribe to make your home toxin-free. We make videos of all our recipes, so they're super easy to follow.
Yep.
We're certified aromatherapists, so all of our recipes are made by us and tested by us and used by us so that you can know that they are safe.
See you later.
Come make your home toxin-free.